So the video's going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's okay for you to be on video?
Yes.
All right, cool, thanks. And this is your second session.
Mm-hmm.
And so before we do your second private training, I just want you to share, like, you've had any changes in your life since the last time? Do you notice any shifts, anything easier, anything at all?
Yeah, keeping what you do on my mind has definitely allowed me to, or just to be smarter about what I do, and then being mindful to what you do has just helped me how do I want to say help my body relax, because I'm not going through the stress.
So you felt more relaxed in your body since last time?
Yes.
Has it been easier for you to interact in any ways, or was there anything, like, are you doing anything new that you weren't doing before that's like seems easier now, or?
Well, yeah, I'm working out a lot more, and
Okay, you
and,
did say
and,
that.
and yeah,
I'm not trying to lead you on.
I know. No, working out and quitting smoking.
Oh, you quit smoking?
Yes. So
Wow.
quitting smoking and working out has allowed me to just kind of keep my better things for my body in mind, and then what you've taught me
Right, yeah. Right
has stuck with me.
Right on. You look a little ripped, but you were already working out before, weren't you?
A little bit.
No,
Yeah.
a little bit, but it's definitely like there's a change. I mean, there's a significant expansion in your chest and the arms. Seems
Yeah.
like, yeah.
Yeah. It's
Cool. That's great that you've been able to stick with it.
Yeah, it's when you start doing like self-care,
Yeah, for
you
sure.
start you stick with it, I guess.
Cool.
When you see not instant gratification, but when things are when you see results in things quickly, you keep what works and and throw away what doesn't in life.
Right. And I don't remember what we talked about in your first session,
Me either.
so I don't know how that relates to like what you're talking about, but
Yeah.
the fact that it sounds like you feel expanded and things feel a little easier to you.
Yeah.
And that's the end result. So whatever
Cool.
the details are, awesome. But
Cool.
the bigger picture here sounds amazing.
Thank you.
So, no. Thank you for being willing to share on video.
Absolutely.
So could you stand up real quick? I just want to see like how you're holding yourself, and just do a quick spin. Cool. So what are you feeling? Anything specific in your body, like in your shoulders at all, or?
Not so much in my shoulders, no.
Okay.
The only thing I feel is a little bit right in this area.
Solar
it's
plexus.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit higher in the sternum, just because
Okay.
it's been I've been standing up straighter.
Good for you.
Yeah, so it's maybe a little stretched or something.
All right. So that area, well, I don't know. Second session, I normally won't get into solar plexus, stomach area. Usually wait a couple more sessions.
Okay.
The basic idea is that whatever's stressing us out tends to come to the shoulders. That's why our shoulders go up, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we worked on last time.
Yeah.
And it's been a few weeks,
Mhm.
so I'd expect that something else has risen up into your shoulders.
Yeah.
There's some new layer going on.
Yeah.
So we'll work on that.
Okay.
And then, if and when you come back for a third time, we'll see what's going on then.
All right.
Cool. So how about just get on your back, grab your ankles off the end here. So you remember the drill, how it works? Cool. So I'm not going to explain it too much. For those of you at home, if you didn't see Jake's first session, you might want to watch that if you don't know what's going on here. Okay, so do you feel like how easy? Wow, your scapula is moving a lot more than it was last time. You notice how that whole movement there?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Wow, when you let go, you really let go. A little something right there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
So this side of the body is about girls.
Oh, okay.
I mean, for most people, most of the time.
Mm.
Right? It's also about receiving. It's also about mom.
Mm.
Was there ever a time when your mom wouldn't talk to you?
My mom wouldn't talk to me.
Like, did she get mad at you? And
There's times when she hangs up and won't answer again.
well, that would count.
Yeah.
Feel the muscle.
Yeah. And
Feel the muscle.
Mm.
And just let your body figure out that that's a memory and not happening right now. Get it?
Mm.
Okay. So, this isn't story time.
Yeah.
This is just showing our body that that issue is a memory and not actually happening right now. Because right now your mom isn't hanging up on you, right?
Yeah.
And if you called her, would she talk to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So your body has a memory of your mom doing that.
Mm.
Here's the thing. Anytime that mom creates an issue in our body like that, or then we create an issue in our body about mom, it translates into how women treat us.
Mm.
You know, because it shows up in our body language. So are there any women in your life right now who aren't talking to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So just notice that that's related to your mom. Real quick. Did you notice?
Mm.
Okay. Say, mom is comfortable talking to me.
Mom is comfortable talking to me.
Good. It's safe for women to talk to me.
It's safe for women to talk to me.
Good. Can you feel that go?
Mm.
The reason I had you say that is the reason that women won't talk to us usually is that they don't feel safe. Either emotionally, psychically, physically, there's usually a safety issue for them, right?
Yeah.
Even if it's not physical, they know you're not going to hit them. It's
Yeah.
not about that. They just don't want to, they don't want to feel safe in other ways.
Mm.
Or not safe, I should say. Too many negatives there. Make sense?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so let's check your shoulder here. Okay, does that feel way looser?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. So this right here is hiding.
Mm.
So, question I have is, did you ever do anything that your mom didn't find out about? That you didn't want your mom to find out about? That you had to hide from her? Could be anything. Could be grades. Could be you took money from her purse. It could be you lost your lunch. It could be anything at all. It's about hiding. It's not about what it actually is.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's appropriate, right? You're not going to tell your mom and dad everything going on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But still, she's your mom, so it feels funny not telling her. And feel the muscle. So the intelligence that we're speaking to here is your body's inner wisdom. I know that you know all this stuff.
Mm.
It's your body got confused.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does this shoulder feel flatter?
Yeah.
All right. How do you feel?
I feel just open to that, to what you were saying.
Okay. Is your mind running? Like, are you thinking about it, or are you just open and?
Yeah.
Good. So it's nothing to think about. It's just something that you let go of, right? And if you let go of it, then there's nothing there to think about.
Yeah. That's
Right?
that's exactly what happened.
Nice. Okay. This side. Do you feel how it's a little bit tighter right there?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I might repeat what I said last time. I just don't remember what we talked about. But what you have got coming on here is pretty common for a lot of people. It's something I had to let go of too. And that's this idea that no matter what we do, it's not enough.
Mm.
Did you feel that jump there?
Yeah, it pulled.
Yeah. So, I'm just going to check it, make sure. Well, I think it relaxed. Does it feel different?
From that spot to that spot, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, here. Let's just test that muscle.
Mm-hmm.
Say, whatever I do is enough.
Whatever I do is enough.
Good. Did you feel that pull there?
I did, yeah.
Right. What, do you have any thoughts about that? Like, does that feel unreal to you, or?
No, it's definitely real.
Okay.
I try really hard, you know.
There's times when you try really hard,
Mm-hmm.
and it feels like you can't get it done, or what?
I just playing catch up in life, you know.
Say, I am at my perfect spot.
I am at my perfect spot.
Good. Everything happens for a reason.
Everything happens for a reason.
Good. You feeling that muscle?
Mm-hmm.
Just on the edge of wanting to let go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm okay right where I am.
I'm okay right where I am.
Good. And I don't have to do anything. There it is. That's what it was. Good. All right, let's just check a little higher.
Mm.
All right. When you were younger, did you ever feel that you weren't enough? Did you feel that jump there?
Mm-hmm.
Did you remember a time when you felt that way?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's just a memory. You are all of Jake. There's nothing missing here. This is 100% Jake. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Nobody can do Jake better than you. You're the only one who knows how to do Jake, right?
I think so.
Yeah, you're the only one who knows how to beat Jake.
Mm-hmm.
That's 100% right here. So not only are you enough, but you are complete. Does that make sense?
It does.
Good. You willing to believe it?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, I am whole.
I am whole.
There. Feel that go when you said it?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Do your shoulders feel even on the table
Yeah.
and flat?
Yeah.
Stand up. So, yeah, training with Brian is short and sweet.
Yeah.
How do you feel right now?
Good. Solid.
Solid?
Yeah.
Good. You feel really grounded. Boom.
Yeah.
Good. How do your shoulders feel now?
They feel. I don't have to flex my quadratus lumborum
Straighten, you mean?
for posture.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So did that
nice.
relax your chest here that you were talking about?
Yeah, it did actually. Now I got my posture's easier to fix.
Good. So you look great.
Thank you.
You know, if you want the feedback, you look great.
Thank you.
And you want to come back in a couple weeks, 3 weeks,
Yeah.
or whatever's right, just give me a call.
Absolutely.
And as long as you're willing to be on video, I love it. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you.
And yeah, thank you. Hug?
Yes.
Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
It's good. Thanks, man.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels solid.
Good.